So here are we have the jerseys, vegan jerseys, fresh off the print. Now, so I did. This is a size large. Before it was a size medium. I'm 6 foot. I'm about 65 or 75 kilos. Tori's 6 foot, running a size extra small there. And so these jerseys, if you want some, I'll leave a link down below. I don't make a single cent on these jerseys. I'm just doing it out of my goodwill, because I want to see affordable, quality vegan jerseys out there for people to get anywhere in the world you are. Because some of the vegan jerseys out there are some pretty colours, but they fade and they just are so expensive. So I've tested these jerseys; they don't fade much at all. Tori's been wearing one for last year, the pink one. I was at a race last year in Thailand, and I met a lady called Angela. And she's from Malaysia, and she was wearing a pink one. And I said, oh, that's a really cool jersey. I'd like to get one of those for Tori. So I said, where'd you get your jersey from? She said, oh, my friend Hong. Give us your details, durianrider, and we'll just send you a couple. So they sent a pink jersey for Tori and a yellow jersey for me. And so this is the same pink jersey. Because this year I'm like, oh, we've got to put a message on there. We've got to put a message on there. So I wrote to Hong in July and said, can we start doing some vegan jerseys? Look, I don't want to make any money off this. So I'll send all the customers to you. I just want people to have these high vis, and they look better in real life. They're a really high quality cut. They just stands out. The pink really stands out. The yellow stands out. The white stands out. And we'll have a fluo yellow coming as well. So they're about half the price of vegan athletic stuff. So the vegan athletic stuff's coming from out of the same place in China. These inks, fabric, are better quality in my opinion. I find my vegan athletic stuff, it fades so quick. And for the money they charge, it is stupidly expensive. So I want to create a product, help create a product out there that is a bold design where you're actually proud to be a vegan. You fly on the flag, and it has an international. We've got Chinese and they've got Thai on there. It's international sort of text. It's safety color, looks stands out really well, and again doesn't fade and doesn't cost an arm and a leg for something that's coming out of China. So, and here we are, present you this. So I'll leave links down below. You can hit up Hong CT on Instagram. I'll leave all the details down below. You can send a message on email if you prefer that. And the first batch is sold out. It's sold out like within a few hours. So the demand has been very well received. Let's have a look at that in real life. So this is the white one. This is the premium race cut. So this is about 2,500 baht or maybe $80 US. So a lot cheaper than Vegan Athletic or some other brands out there like Rafa or whatever. And the quality's better. Because these ones don't fade. There's the pink one Tori's been wearing. It's hardly faded, and she's done a lot of Ks with it. So quality. So this has been a year in progress. I don't want to put out shit product that fades. I don't want to do that. I want to put out product that's that really is well designed. On the back, it's got good sun protection. It's good sun protection, because I know with my Vegan Athletic one, I get sunburn on the back. So whilst the colours were really bright at the start, they did fade, and it was prone to sunburn. So I didn't really want that for a jersey that cost me, an arm and a leg. So this is the new batch, and it's good out. It's a high vis, safety colours. People running black jerseys out there. It is I can't do that no more. So high vis stuff. It's a cool pass. It's just a fabric coming out of China. People say it's all Italian fabrics. Everyone's coming out of China. Everyone's coming out of China. All right. If it's coming out of China, it should cost you more than $100 or less. So we're also doing some economy jerseys as well, same colours, but a little bit different fabric. So Hong's going to send me some of those, so when they're out, I'll do a review. But these are the premium jerseys in the meantime. Still very well priced, still extremely competitive. Nothing on the market like this quality, this price. So if you do want a jersey, hit up Hong. We'll do a size chart. So this is the first video of many. I'm pretty keen about getting these jerseys out there for the masses and really just changing the game, because so much of the vegan stuff out there, people put the word vegan on a jersey and then they put $200 or $150 on the price tag, whatever. It's like, it's just a jersey coming out of China, come on, let's be real here. Let's not rip people off. Let's not prey on the vegan world. So I want to put out these jerseys at really affordable prices, and I don't make a single cent on it. So there you go. So this is the next batch. This is the high vis ones. Will I still do my triple S jerseys? Yeah, I'm doing a run of those at the moment. And I'll sell those again for a really bare bones price. So I'll have some more of those. But in the meantime, if you want the fluoro stuff, because Triple S don't do the fluoros, then we have these from locker. And so hit up Hong down below. If you have any questions, comments down below, let us know. If you want to see any designs, let us know. But we're going to stick with these basic, bold, high-vis designs. Keep you safe on the roads, keep you seen, and none of this camouflage cycling stuff. So anyway, visible jersey, or if you're going to wear a dark jersey, please wear a high-vis helmet or high-vis socks so you are visible. Otherwise, it is hard for undercarbed texting motorists to see us. See you next video. Thanks for your support. Sweet.